हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम आपके लिए अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियोस ला रहे हैं। अगर आप हेडफोन लगा के हमारे वीडियोस आखिर तक देखते हो और बार बार देखते हो तो आपकी अच्छी लर्निंग होगी और आपके अच्छे स्कोर्स यानी कि मार्क्स आएंगे। आप टॉपर स्टूडेंट बन जाओगे क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट। हम आपके लिए मेहनत से वीडियो बनाते हैं। सिर्फ हमारे लिए एक काम करो, हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करो, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूलो, ताकि जब भी हम नया वीडियो बनाएंगे या कोई नया अपडेट आपके लिए होगा तो तुरंत आपको मिल जाएगा। हमारे वीडियोस को शेयर करना ना भूलो। आपकी पढ़ाई के लिए हमने एक खास ऐप बनाया है। इसमें आपके लिए होंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन पेपर्स भी आपको मिलेंगे इसमें। और इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात जो कि एमसीक्यू टाइप्स क्वेश्चंस यानी कि क्विज टाइप क्वेश्चंस होंगे। आप वहाँ पे टेस्ट दे सकते हैं और आपके तुरंत मार्क्स आपको मिलेंगे। आपका परफॉर्मेंस आप खुद चेक कर सकते हैं। ये ऐप आपको गूगल प्ले स्टोर पे मिलेगा। सिर्फ आपको सर्च करना है माई बेस्ट गुरु नाम से। थैंक यू एंड बेस्ट लक फॉर योर स्टडी। Hello friends, now learn the question answers of lesson number 7, rocks and rock types. Question A, how is sand that flows in a river formed? Collect some information about where the sand comes from. Answer 1. The sand that flows in a river is formed through the action of weathering and erosion. 2. Sand typically comes mostly by varying amount of material weathered from island rocks and transported to the beach by the wind or in rivers. B. Which of the following monuments are built in igneous rocks? Options are the Taj Mahal, Fort Raigad, the Red Fort, Ellora sculpture. Answer Fort Raigad and Ellora sculpture. C. Find the differences between 1. Igneous and sedimentary rocks. Igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks. 1. Igneous rock is formed after the cooling of the lava. Sedimentary rocks. It is formed out of deposition of layers of sediments and their compaction. Igneous rock is heavy. Sedimentary rocks are lightweight. 2. Sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. In sedimentary rocks, 1. These are formed out of deposition of layers and sediments and their compaction. Metamorphic rocks are formed out of recrystallization of the original rocks due to tremendous heat and pressure. Sedimentary rocks are lightweight. Metamorphic rocks are heavy. Igneous and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks. Igneous rock is formed after the cooling of the lava. Metamorphic rocks are formed out of recrystallization of the original rocks due to tremendous heat and pressure. Igneous rocks are referred to as primary rocks. Metamorphic rocks are not referred to primary rocks. D. Which types of rocks are predominantly found at the following locations? 1. Central Maharashtra. 2. South Konkan. 3. Vidarbha. 1. Central Maharashtra, basalt rock. 2. South Konkan, laterite and granite rocks. 3. Vidarbha, basalt rocks.
Extra questions?
I can do this. 1. Understand the types of rocks. The three main types of rocks are sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous rocks. The differences among them have to do with how they are formed. 2. Tell the use of rocks. Answer. Rocks are Rocks and minerals are all around us. They help us to develop new technologies and are used in our everyday lives. Our use of rocks includes as building material, cosmetics, cars, roads and appliances. 3. Tell the distribution of rocks in Maharashtra. Answer. Eastern Maharashtra. Red laterite rock and basalt rock. Granite is also found in this region. Western Maharashtra. Black basaltic rock. This rock is commonly found all over the Maharashtra. Central Maharashtra. This region has a huge percentage of black basalt rock and a small percentage of red laterite rock. Friends, now compare rock types. Answer. There are three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. These are formed by cooling of magma deep inside the earth. They often have large crystals. While metamorphic rocks, these are formed through the change, means metamorphosis of igneous and sedimentary rocks. They can form both underground and at the surface. Sedimentary rocks. They are formed through the solidification of sediment. They can be formed from organic remains or from the cementing of other rocks. What will you do? Ajit is interested in sculpting. He wants to prepare a sculpture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He cannot decide which rock he should use for this: igneous, sedimentary or metamorphic. What will you What will be your advice? Answer. 1. Igneous rocks is the best suitable to create sculptures because it is not as expensive as the other materials are. 2. It is a durable material and perfect for sculpturing. Thus, Ajit should use igneous rocks in sculpting the sculpture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Use your brain power. What rock was used for building the forts in Maharashtra? Why? Answer. 1. It is the igneous volcanic rock. It is hard, massive and compact. Igneous rocks do not have layers. Fossils are not present in this rock. 2. These rocks are not easily weathered because there are no pores, so water cannot easily enter. 3. Due to its marvelous properties, igneous rocks are used for building the forts in Maharashtra. मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगल्यात चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.